Welcome back to AS Automotive Review, the place where we dive deep into the machines redefining the road. Today, we're exploring a vehicle that isn't just another luxury SUV, it's a revolution on wheels. It's bold, futuristic, and unlike anything you've seen before. This is the Yangwang U8, BYD's flagship SUV that's shaking the automotive world with technology and presence that feels straight out of the future. When you first hear about the U8, you might think it's just another large luxury SUV, but that assumption vanishes the moment you lay eyes on it. The sheer stance of this machine demands respect. At over 5 meters long and nearly 2 meters wide, the Yangwang U8 is not just competing with vehicles like the Mercedes G-Class, Range Rover, or Lexus LX, it's rewriting the rulebook for what a luxury SUV can be. Its design is muscular and squared off, with a sense of power that makes it look ready for any terrain while still exuding refinement. The massive front grille, sharp LED headlight signature, and commanding proportions give it a presence that's both futuristic and imposing. But it's not just about how it looks. The Yangwang U8 carries technology that sets it apart. This is an electric SUV with 4 independent motors, one at each wheel, delivering a combined power output of over 1,100 horsepower. Let that sink in. This SUV has hypercar-level power hidden beneath a body designed to tackle off-road trails, urban streets, and even water. Yes, water. One of the wildest features of the U8 is its ability to float and propel itself forward in emergency situations, turning itself into an amphibious escape pod. It sounds like science fiction, but it's real, and it showcases how much BYD has pushed boundaries with this creation. Performance-wise, the numbers are nothing short of astonishing. 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 3.5 seconds for a machine of this size is staggering. It's not just brute force either. Thanks to its quad-motor setup, the U8 has torque vectoring that allows for handling precision far beyond what you'd expect from a heavy luxury SUV. Each wheel can operate independently, meaning the car can even rotate 360 degrees on the spot, tank turn style. That's a feature you'd expect from concept cars or military vehicles, not a luxury SUV meant for everyday use. But the Yangwang U8 isn't just about showing off capabilities, it's about integrating them into a lifestyle of ultimate convenience and security. This vehicle runs on BYD's innovative E-to-the-power-of-4 platform, which not only provides the extreme power and torque control but also adds layers of redundancy. For example, even if 3 of the 4 motors fail, the car can still keep moving with just one. It's designed with safety and reliability at its core, making it an SUV you could trust whether you're navigating city streets or tackling rugged landscapes far from civilization. Step inside, and the luxury story continues. The interior of the U8 is an experience in itself. You're greeted by a futuristic cockpit that blends high-end materials with cutting-edge technology. Leather, wood, and metal accents come together in harmony, while massive screens dominate the dashboard. The driver gets a digital instrument cluster with sharp graphics, and there's a central infotainment display that feels more like a cinematic screen than a typical car display. The passenger even gets their own dedicated screen, making the cabin a high-tech lounge on wheels. Comfort is a priority here. The seats are not just supportive but deeply cushioned, with heating, cooling, and massage functions. Whether you're driving yourself or being chauffeured, the U8 ensures that every journey feels like a first-class experience. The sound system is equally impressive, with a premium surround setup that fills the cabin with rich, immersive audio. And then there's the attention to detail, ambient lighting that can be customized to your mood, climate controls tailored for each passenger, and an overall design that makes you feel cocooned in sophistication. What's fascinating is how the Yangwang U8 balances its luxury with extreme capability. You have a full suite of off-road modes, adjusting everything from suspension height to torque delivery at each wheel. Need to climb a rocky incline? No problem. Traversing deep sand, the U8 adjusts in seconds. And then there's the water floating feature, which, while not designed for everyday use, shows just how serious BYD is about making this vehicle capable of surviving almost anything. Range and charging are also key talking points. The U8 is equipped with a large battery pack, giving it an electric range of over 180 kilometers on pure EV mode. But it doesn't stop there. It's actually a plug-in hybrid with a gasoline engine acting as a range extender, pushing the total driving range close to 1,000 kilometers. This makes it incredibly versatile, removing the anxiety often associated with fully electric vehicles while still delivering the thrill of electric performance when you want it. Technology extends beyond performance and into driver assistance. The U8 is packed with advanced features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assistance, automated parking, and a comprehensive sensor suite that brings it close to autonomous driving capabilities. BYD has integrated cutting-edge lidar, radar, and camera systems, giving the U8 not just awareness of its surroundings but also predictive safety features that react faster than a human ever could. The U8 is also about power in a different sense. Thanks to its massive battery and electrical systems, it can act as a power station on wheels. You can plug in appliances, power tools, or even charge other electric vehicles directly from it. Imagine going camping and having enough power to run your entire site without a generator. This feature makes the U8 not just a car but a mobile energy hub. Now let's talk about pricing, because the Yangwang U8 doesn't come cheap. Starting at around $150,000, it positions itself firmly in the ultra-luxury SUV category. But when you consider what it offers, hypercar performance, unmatched off-road capability, luxury comfort, futuristic technology, and innovations no other SUV on the market can match, it starts to feel like a bargain for what it represents. This isn't just transportation, it's a statement, a vision of the future delivered today. Competitors like the Mercedes G-Class or the Land Rover Defender may have history and heritage, but the U8 brings something fresh, a blend of electrification, advanced AI-driven control, and wild innovations that push the SUV segment into uncharted territory. It represents the shift in global automotive power, with China no longer just catching up but leading in certain areas of design and technology. For those who get behind the wheel, the U8 delivers an experience that's both exhilarating and reassuring. You feel the raw power at your command, but also the calm of knowing the vehicle has intelligence and safety systems constantly working to keep you secure. It's this balance of thrill and peace of mind that makes it so unique. What I find most impressive about the Yangwang U8 is that it manages to wear many hats at once. It's a luxury SUV that can compete with the finest from Europe. It's a performance machine that rivals sports cars in acceleration. It's an off-road beast capable of tackling extreme environments. And it's a technological marvel, with features that feel like they've been borrowed from concept vehicles and brought into production reality. Few cars in history have managed to combine all these traits so seamlessly. As we move into an era where electric vehicles dominate the conversation, the U8 proves that innovation doesn't have to mean compromise. It doesn't force you to choose between luxury, performance, or practicality, it gives you all of them in one package. It's a showcase of what's possible when engineering ambition meets creative vision. So, who is the Yangwang U8 for? It's for those who want to stand out, not just with presence on the road but with technology that puts them ahead of the curve. It's for adventurers who want to explore without limits, and for families who want every journey to feel safe, comfortable, and connected. Above all, it's for those who believe that a car should be more than just transportation, it should be an experience, a statement, and sometimes even a lifeline. The Yangwang U8 isn't just a car, it's a glimpse into the future of mobility. It challenges our expectations of what an SUV can do, and it redefines the standards of luxury and performance in the electric age. With this machine, BYD has not just built a competitor, they've built a pioneer. And that brings us to the end of this review. The Yangwang U8 is powerful, luxurious, and revolutionary in ways that make it unlike any SUV on the market today. If this is what the future looks like, then it's an exciting time to be an automotive enthusiast. Thank you for watching AS Automotive Review. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the Yangwang U8, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss our future reviews of the world's most incredible machines. Until next time, keep exploring, keep driving, and keep your passion for cars alive.